chosen by God. You have been chosen by God, who has given you this new kind of life. Colossians chapter 3 verse 12. Modern writers depict the pessimism of our time, and many of them throw up their hands in despair and say, "There is no answer to man's dilemma." Hemingway once said, "I live in a vacuum that is as lonely as a radio tube when the batteries are dead, and there is no current to plug into." Eugene O'Neill in Long Day's Journey into Night typifies the philosophical attitude of our day. He says, "Life's only meaning is death." I say to Hemingway and to O'Neill, who have already gone on, there is more to life than death. There is more to life than a radio tube that needs a place to plug into. Jesus taught us the dignity and importance of being a person. God put us on this earth for a purpose, and our purpose is fellowship with God and to glorify God. Prayer for the day. Loving Father, your love for me transcends the hopelessness of this life and gives me the purpose I so desperately need.